Today we got a 2012 Renault Twingo. The horn doesn't work. Let me show you the fix. On the stalk here, there's the button. The button has a broken wire. You need to remove 2 screws here and 2 screws here. Already took them out, these little ones. Then you just get the power connector off, this one on the back, and remove this by pulling it. There you see, light here. Black wire is broken off from the soldering point. Just solder it again and it will be new. I already checked the, how do you call it, the horn. Supplied it with power and the horn works. So let's test it. Here's what it looks like after soldering. See the black wire goes into the stock handle. Just gave it a rather crappy solder. Let's put it back in the car and test it out. Connector is plugged in. Just push this back. Now just reverse engineer it from how I took it apart. Get all the screws in and it should be fine. Easy fix.